What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. We finna get Meech rear patched up. I found Rick on the way, so I'm finna go ahead and push this nag out the spot, so we can get the rear patched up. Right now, look at that, man. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's the end of these days right here, y'all. That's all you're gonna start seeing on my window now. End of these days, man. We're on the bigger and better thing. On the bigger and better thing. As far as my car, as far as me running my car, man. On the bigger and better thing, man. Clock's on. Clock's on, baby. That's what we doing. Clock's on. But yeah, he on the way to get this right here. Gonna get this fixed. Then we can be able to really review the rear end and stuff too, where all the insides. So yeah, we can do that. I don't know if y'all miss it, cause people be seeing everything, but boom, that was already out. I got this out yesterday. Well, my boy Herb got it out. So it'll be going down to Showtime in 2 days, couple days. And yeah, said we're gonna get this ball rolling. Get this ball rolling. Meech might just be back before the year end as far as running and driving. Like I said, the 8.5 would be cool running around on the road and stuff like that. But I do have a bad unit coming. Rear axle. I have a very bad unit coming. I can't wait till y'all see it. So yeah, and also seeing that y'all seeing this on Sunday, y'all seeing this on Sunday, man, you gonna want to tune in to the vlog channel all next week. I got nothing but reveals coming. Everybody been wanting to know. Like I said, I'm done. My no time day is over with. From now on, if a man want to run me, they're gonna have to be fine with the world knowing their time. If not, we just gonna have to wonder, or you gonna know whether I could beat you or you could beat me in your mind and heart. That's all it is, because you're going to see your ticket. Because I'm not hiding nothing. I'm on the big and better business. That's what we about to do, man. I got too much knowledge. And I be teaching folks anyway. I be teaching people that be wanting to race me. I be teaching them on the low. And I know it. They get information from me. Because I'm out here testing so much and video and documenting everything. So that's what I'm about to do. And it's just too much. It's too much of a headache. It's way too much of a headache trying to hide stuff all the time. I mean, I have done a good job, and I have pulled the wool over people's eyes with all my cars, with Dolo and stuff. Cause people underestimate them, thought they were slow. Then I showed them hand and stuff. But I mean, the only reason I did and I moved like I moved is because, like I said, man, I just like, you got people that support. And, you know, they want to see you win, but then you got them people that got undercover pressure, man. I don't fool with no people like that. They got undercover pressure. They want to see you still be the, they don't want to see you making big power. They don't want to see you doing good. And they hope you ain't making all that power. They hope you ain't going that fast. So I like to let those type of people comment. Then I can take the pie and just, take the pie and put it in their face. But, man, they're going to be the last. They're going to be the last time we do that car from here on out. I'll be showing y'all everything. I'm going to be doing an engine reveal. Engine reveal coming soon, man. I'm going to pull the hood out the Joker. I'm telling you, you're going to want to tune in that week. Next week, you're going to want to tune in, I promise. I'm gonna finally pull the hood off of Meech. Let everybody see under there. Y'all gonna wanna see under there too. Believe me. You gonna wanna see under there. I'm gonna reveal the ET. I'm gonna reveal what kind of time Dolo run on nitrous. I'm telling y'all everything, man. I'm telling y'all everything. And just understand, everybody that watch these videos, cause I know you see them. I know you see them whether you cap and act like you don't, or you do, or you're a legit supporter. You want to race, you can't have no problem with nobody seeing your time, cause don't say I told you, don't act like you didn't see the video. I'm gonna be at Silver Dollar a lot this year, cause they had the clocks on and stuff. Clocks on, man. We on the big and better thing with this channel, man. Watch this with life period. With life period, we on the big and better thing, man. But yeah. Anyway, let me get this thing pushed forward, so we'll have some room, and we're gonna get this rear end towed down, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We're checking in. Y'all see, fam Rick done made it, man. We just got the car jacked up. We finna try to we finna take this thing loose and see what to it. Y'all already seen a little bit of it, damn it. But we about to get this joker out, man, and get it changed over. Gotcha. Get the gear changed over. Then I get the transmission over to Showtime and get it back on the road. Back on the road again. Huh? Oh yeah, talking about when you turn it. Look at that. Ain't nothing, boy. Hey, look at it, y'all. I told y'all. It just got a few little teeth. That would hang up right there. Y'all saw me and little bro catching hell getting our trailer. Yeah. Big free spinner, y'all. But we're gonna get this out. I'm finna get the tool, take the cover off and stuff, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all check. Oh, I need to spin it. Y'all check it. There it is. Yeah, that spot it be hanging up in, y'all. He about got it out. But that one spot be hanging up in, y'all saw when me and Cedro trying to get it out the trailer, man. But I cut the video call. It had got real, like it was serious trying to get out that trailer, man. When he was on that incline, boy, it was rough. It was rough trying to get it out the trailer. So when he take this thing out, I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like, man. And when we get the gear off and all that, man, y'all about to see this all these teeth there. Well, the brake part cleaner. I'm glad I got a lot of that. I got a whole case. I keep brake part cleaner, cause it's gonna take a lot of that. Cause it's some stuff broke up in there good. Think we're gonna need the magnet, or you think the brake part cleaner gonna straighten out? It'll rinse.
Little chunks in there, we will.
I'm pretty sure it still is, man. Get two of them. We probably use all that. Get the magnet, man. I'm ready to see what this thing look like. Then we got the new stuff. We got the new stuff right here. I don't know why people thinking I got a Richmond gear, man. Good gear. I got crush sleeve just in case. I got 3 of them. Yeah, got the pinion. Y'all know we did that the other day. Got the bearing pressed on, so when we get it out, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. So y'all stay tuned. Alright. Man, y'all look at this. Look at this here, boy. God almighty, boy. It crazy. It just knocked one side off. Now y'all can really see it. It knocked one side off. That crazy. Yep. Cause them right there. Look at that. So y'all. Literally in half. You see that jump? Just literally in half, man. Knocked half of them off. And not the other half. And the ones it did, it cleaned it good. That crazy. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, man. Let me get the reel. Alright. So Rick just pulled the pinion out. Look at this. That probably why it didn't get all the teeth. It wasn't nothing there left to get. It wiped all of these. It ain't one left. It wiped the entire pinion. You can really see it. You can really see it now that it's out. Boy, it cleaned that joker good. That torque. I promise I'm gonna reveal the numbers soon, man. I'm gonna reveal the torque numbers this week. Y'all gonna see it this week. Y'all gonna know how much it make on motor and how much torque it make on the engine dyno. I'm gonna have the chassis dyno numbers coming soon, but y'all gonna know how much it make on the engine dyno and on the face. Hey, Rick, you seen them guesses on that post I made? The horsepower.
Yeah.
Boy, a lot of folk gonna be surprised, man.
Yeah, I seen them.
A lot of people's off, man. A lot of people off, but they underestimating their car. And I told y'all it ain't but a few people that really know about it. I mean, of course y'all know Rick. Rick, like my brother, he know everything about it. And beforehand, he already knew. But look at that, man. I can't. They're crazy. Yeah, there you go. Look, man, I can spin it so y'all can see it. Every last one of them. But we're gonna get the new stuff in there. The rim won't be broke again, Carl. I ain't hitting the track with it. I'm gonna be driving around, so the rim gonna be for sale. You see, you got brand spanking new brakes, both sides, new carrier. Y'all know the carrier ain't got, it's brand new. New ring and pin, everything new all over again. So I'm gonna have it for sale. And hey, if you want it, you just have to get it. I'm gonna have it for sale. I'm gonna have Dolo rim for sale too. Cause Dolo getting a 9-inch, but it ain't gonna get all the stuff that I had done to this one. Cause it don't need all of that. Y'all see Dolo rim held together, but I didn't hit it with everything. I ain't gonna hit it with everything. I feel like if I do, they're gonna be it for that. Yeah, they just broke some stuff, man. Look at that. Oh, with that Cressley. Yep. Oh, Cressley. But yeah, man, that's what it is. We got it out. He's just cleaning the housing out and stuff right now. With just use one can so far.
Yeah, that's it.
So one can.
About done with that.
Okay. Yeah, he cleaned that out. They gonna come out here and get everything set up and go back in with it. So y'all stay tuned. All right. Back. This is the guy that got the new stuff on there assembled. He said this right here hold up better. Now we're gonna road test this thing and see the difference and all of that, but look at that right there, man. That's just I told Rick I'm gonna keep this stuff souvenir right here. That's crazy. And like he said the same thing. Only reason it didn't tear all them up cause it did all it did. Cause like I said, the pinion is small, so it had completely spun around by the time it did that. It wasn't nothing left to catch. It wasn't nothing to catch, so it's just skipping over. But if the ET right here would have stayed, one of the two gonna go all on. It was gonna get all of these, but it got all of these. That's what happened. Yeah, I got to keep this, man. I got to keep this. Cause when I get my shop building put up, man, I'm gonna put all my stuff on the wall. Like show people. My friend Richard with the Camaro, turbo Camaro, man, he got a wall like that where he had them Pro Charger. And Pro Charger kept breaking crankshafts, man. That man had about 3-4 crankshafts on the wall. So yeah, we'll be back together in a few minutes. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, we checking in, y'all. Hey, what you just said? What you said, Rick?
Time to go home, fella.
Yeah, the hard part, man. Them clearances and stuff, boy. There was no Cressley. We had 3. I had 3 on. Cause we like you the pinion bearing space. Best thing you can, boy. Best thing somebody thought of, boy. He put me on that. I said, oh yeah, that's it. That we use. Well, we done use on 3 of them, man, or 2.
All of them except this one.
Yeah, they're the only one. Yeah. Cause Grandma Nana, Wifey Ren, and Dolo. When he fixed Dolo, you know, we just recently fixed Dolo. Not that long ago. So yeah, man, that's it. That is it, man. We can go back in with the carrier. Shit, it's pretty much downhill from this point on. I say I got a big thing of 80-90. I already put something in there. I know y'all see the jug, man. I had a little bit left in here. I just poured it out, man. It was 75-90. Some people say it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Hey, man, I use what it called for. That's what I do. You don't do that in emergency purposes. But these carriers right here, which they helical, I might be saying it wrong, but I know what it is. But they don't need additive. They don't need additive. They use 80-90, like the Detroit True Track, with they're basically what it is. Both of them, they use 80-90. So you ain't gotta use no additive, none of that. You'll be good to go. So we'll get this thing back together, spin it over. Y'all ain't gonna hear no clank, clank, clank. You ain't gonna hear all that no more. And then we're gonna turn y'all back on, man. Said we're trying to get it wrapped up, cause it getting chilly out here. I said, look, now Rick got the cover all on. I just told him, I said, I need another one. He said, man, ain't even cold.
I'm about to get you the heater. I'm sweating.
Man, I need one to cover all. I had one, man. I wore that joker out, boy. I wore it out, man. But I probably gonna get me one today for real. It's that time. So, yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all the update. Checking back in, y'all. See the wheels on. Everything done. Like I said, shout out to my fam Rick again. Finna put the fluid in there, and then it's a wrap. Like we were saying, that temperature dropping quick. The temperature dropping quick, man. And me and wife are gonna run up here to Summit for a second. Go grab some. Like I said, we got this junk done. So now we good right there on the rear end. All I gotta do is get the transmission situated, and then we'll be back, man. We'll be back just like that. Just get that transmission situated, then we'll be good. Then when the Fab 9 come, I'm going to have to change the brake proportional valve, and it's gonna have new upper and lower control arms, rear control arms, and then what else? Oh, we're probably gonna have to shorten the drive shaft. There we did. We'll have to shorten the drive shaft. So yeah, then I have bulletproof transmission too. So then I can just really pull it to it, man. It ought to make a nitro pad then, man. I'm gonna go out there, same tune up, little small tune up, man. I'm talking about it will very light. Go out there and see what it do, see how it take, and then we should be in the game. We'll be able to use tram brake, everything, have peace of mind. It shouldn't tear up now. So yeah, man, we're gonna turn y'all on in a minute. We'll get this thing. Y'all can hear it. He turning and stuff though, but y'all, well, he just turned the wheel. Y'all don't hear nothing clanking and all that on there. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Right, y'all see we got it wrapped up, man. Knocked out. Meech is back, clean bill of health. Rear end done. Transmission out. Get the transmission back in. We'll be back on the road again. Just that quick. Shout out to my brother Rick. As always, man, coming through. Always looking out, man. I'm gonna have my boy a good Christmas present coming, man. I promise. Have a good Christmas present. Like, man, people that always there when you need them, man, or you know, when you just there for each other, like that's what it's about, man. That's what it's about. Like I said, man, him, Cuzzo, like I said, my little brother said, always come through, man. Always help. My boy Fleck, he be coming through for me too. Everybody always come through and help, man. Like, so you know, you gotta value good people. You gotta value and cherish good people, cause it ain't a bunch of them out there no more. Hey, move the Escalade. But yeah. That's it, man. They're gonna wrap it up. Y'all see we back. Y'all got y'all another good little video. Keep y'all up to date with Meech, man. Next video y'all gonna be seeing, man, transmission gonna be going back in, or we're gonna be tearing it down, seeing what it tore up in the transmission. All of that. So yeah. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.